Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the HZ English Pod, where learning English is simple and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
Hello, Sophie. Hi to everyone joining us today. It's wonderful to be here with you again.
It really is. I'm so excited to see you, Liam. How are you feeling today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm a bit sleepy, but I'm happy to be here.
Sleepy. Oh, really? Why are you sleepy? Did you stay up late?
Yes, I did. I was watching a TV show last night.
A TV show? Which one?
It's a detective show. Very exciting. I couldn't stop watching.
Oh, I know that feeling. Just one more episode, right?
Exactly. I said that 5 times. Then I looked at the clock, and it was midnight.
Midnight. Oh, Liam, that's very late. You need your sleep.
I know. I should have a better night routine. And you, Sophie, do you have a good night routine?
I try to. I like to keep it simple and relaxing.
That sounds nice. What do you do?
Well, before we talk about our night routines, Liam, we should tell our listeners something important.
Yes, absolutely. Everyone, if you enjoy our conversations, please click the like button. It's the thumbs up icon.
Yes, please do that. And remember to subscribe to the HZ English Pod. We bring you new episodes every week.
And share this podcast with your friends and family. Learning English together is more fun.
Definitely. Okay, Liam, so you stayed up late watching TV. Tell me about your night routine. What do you usually do before bed?
Well, on a normal night, not a TV show night, I try to finish work around 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. That's a good time.
Yes. Then I cook dinner. I'm not a great cook, but I try.
What do you usually cook?
Simple things. Pasta, rice, sometimes a sandwich. Last night, I made spaghetti.
Spaghetti is delicious. Was it good?
It was okay, but I put too much salt. My cat didn't like it either.
Your cat? You gave spaghetti to your cat?
No. She just smelled it and walked away. She looked at me like, this is not good food.
That's so funny. Cats are honest. They don't pretend.
Very honest. Too honest sometimes. So, after dinner, I wash the dishes.
Right away? Or do you leave them in the sink?
I used to leave them in the sink, but now I wash them right away. It feels better. A clean kitchen helps me relax.
I totally agree. I hate waking up to dirty dishes. It starts the day badly.
Exactly. So, clean kitchen, then I take a shower.
A shower at night? Not in the morning?
Both, actually. I take a quick shower in the morning to wake up, and a longer shower at night to relax.
2 showers? That's very clean, Liam.
Well, I like to feel fresh. The night shower is my favorite. I use warm water, not hot, just warm and relaxing.
That sounds lovely. Do you use special soap or shampoo?
Nothing special. Just normal soap. But I have lavender shampoo. It smells nice. And it's supposed to help you sleep.
Lavender is very calming. I love that smell.
Me too. After the shower, I put on my pajamas.
What kind of pajamas? Funny ones?
Not funny, just comfortable. I have blue pajamas with little stars on them. My sister gave them to me for Christmas.
Stars! That's cute. Perfect for bedtime.
Yes, then I usually check my phone for a few minutes.
Ah, the phone. That's dangerous, Liam. You can lose track of time.
You're right. I try to limit it. Just 5 or 10 minutes. I check messages and maybe the news.
Do you use social media before bed?
Sometimes, but I'm trying to stop. It makes my brain too active. I can't sleep well after scrolling for too long.
That's very smart. I have the same problem. What do you do after checking your phone?
I brush my teeth. This is very important.
Of course. Every night?
Every night. 2 minutes. I have an electric toothbrush. It has a timer.
A timer? That's helpful.
Yes, it beeps after 2 minutes. Then I know I'm finished. I also use dental floss.
Good habits, Liam. Your dentist must be proud.
I hope so. After brushing my teeth, I like to read a book for 20 or 30 minutes.
Reading before bed. That's wonderful. What are you reading now?
I'm reading a mystery book. It's about a detective in London.
Is it the same as your TV show?
No, different story, but I like mysteries. They're interesting, but not too exciting. I can stop easily.
Not like the TV show.
Not like the TV show. With the TV show, I wanted to know what happens next. With the book, I can close it and sleep.
That makes sense. Where do you read? In bed?
Yes, in bed. I have a small lamp on my bedside table, just enough light to read.
Perfect. And then you sleep?
Almost. Before I turn off the light, I like to think about my day, just for 2 or 3 minutes.
Think about your day, like reviewing everything?
Yes, I think about the good things that happened. It helps me feel grateful.
That's beautiful, Liam. Gratitude is important.
It is. Sometimes I think about tomorrow too, what I need to do, but I try not to worry, just planning.
And then lights off.
Lights off. Usually I fall asleep quickly, maybe 10 minutes.
You're lucky. Some people take hours to fall asleep.
I know. My brother has insomnia. He takes hours sometimes.
Poor thing. Does he take medicine?
No, but he listens to calm music. That helps him.
Music can be very soothing. So, Liam, that's your night routine. It sounds very peaceful.
Thank you. It works for me. What about you, Sophie? What's your night routine?
Mine is a bit different. I also finish work around 6 or 7 o'clock.
Do you cook dinner?
Sometimes, but I live with my roommate, Anna. We take turns cooking.
That's nice. Teamwork.
Yes, when it's my turn, I cook. When it's her turn, I clean. It's fair.
What did you have for dinner last night?
Anna made stir-fry, vegetables, chicken, and rice. It was delicious.
Better than my salty spaghetti.
Maybe. After dinner, I like to go for a short walk.
A walk at night? Where do you go?
Just around my neighborhood, 10 or 15 minutes. There's a small park near my apartment.
That sounds refreshing. Is it safe?
Yes, it's very safe. There are lights everywhere, and I see other people walking their dogs.
Do you talk to them?
Sometimes. I say hello. I pet the dogs if the owners say it's okay.
You like dogs?
I love dogs. I want to get one, but my apartment doesn't allow pets.
That's sad. Maybe one day.
I hope so. After my walk, I come home and make tea.
Tea? What kind?
Chamomile tea. It's very relaxing. No caffeine.
Good choice. Caffeine at night is a bad idea.
Exactly. I sit on my couch, drink my tea, and watch something light on TV. Maybe a comedy or a cooking show.
Not a detective show?
Never. Too exciting. I learned my lesson.
Smart woman. How long do you watch TV?
Maybe 30 minutes, one episode of something short. Then I turn it off.
Self-control. I need to learn from you.
It took practice, Liam. After TV, I take a bath.
A bath, not a shower?
I prefer baths at night. Showers in the morning. Baths are more relaxing for me.
Do you add anything to the bath? Bubbles?
Sometimes bubbles, sometimes bath salts. I like eucalyptus scent. It opens my nose and helps me breathe.
How long do you stay in the bath?
20 minutes, maybe 30. I bring my phone and listen to a podcast.
A podcast in the bath? That's luxury.
It is. I feel like I'm at a spa. After the bath, I dry off, put on my pajamas, and do my skincare routine.
Skincare routine? What's that?
I wash my face, use toner, and put on moisturizer.
That sounds complicated.
It's not complicated, just 3 steps. It keeps my skin healthy.
I should probably do that. I just wash my face with soap.
That's okay, but moisturizer helps, especially in winter when the air is dry.
I'll try it. Then what?
Then I brush my teeth, just like you, 2 minutes, and I use mouthwash.
Minty fresh.
Very fresh. After that, I set my alarm for the next morning.
What time do you wake up?
6:30. I like to have time for breakfast and coffee before work.
You're a morning person.
I try to be. Then I get into bed and I write in my journal.
A journal? What do you write?
Just 3 things I'm grateful for. Like you, I think about the good things from the day.
That's a lovely habit.
It helps me sleep with a happy mind. Sometimes I write about funny things that happened.
Do you write every night?
Almost every night. It only takes 5 minutes. Then I read for a little bit.
You read too. We're the same.
Yes, I'm reading a romance novel right now.
Is it good?
It's very sweet, perfect before bed. Then I turn off my lamp and I try to sleep.
Do you fall asleep quickly?
Usually, yes, but sometimes I think too much and I can't sleep.
What do you think about?
Work, mostly, or things I need to do. It's annoying.
What do you do when that happens?
I try deep breathing, in through my nose, out through my mouth, slowly. It calms my mind.
That's a good technique.
It works most of the time. If it doesn't work, I get up and drink some water. Then I try again.
You are very wise, Sophie.
Thank you, Liam. We both have nice night routines, I think.
We do. It's important to have a routine. It helps us sleep better.
And sleeping well helps us have energy for the next day.
Exactly. Well, Sophie, I think our time is almost finished.
Oh, time goes so fast. It's time to say goodbye to our listeners.
But before we go, we have a question for everyone listening.
Yes, we want to know, what is your night routine? Do you read before bed?
Or do you watch TV like me? Do you take a bath or a shower?
Tell us in the comments. We love reading your stories.
Yes, please write to us. It's great practice for your English.
And don't forget to subscribe to the HC English Pod for more conversations.
And share this with your friends who are learning English. Everyone needs a good night routine.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
Thank you. Have a wonderful week, sleep well, and sweet dreams.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye. See you next time.